Part 225, line 19a4 Lorentz, lie rocket rotation, hyperbolic electromagnetic, speed, UFO 5G Wow Seti. Again, this is a formula. It says UFO and 5G in it. So this is the alien radio signal with the answer. And quotes from Wiki, Lorentz group and Lie group. In physics and mathematics, the Lorentz group is the group of all Lorentz transformations of Minkowski spacetime, the classical setting for all non-gravitational physical phenomena. The Lorentz group is named for the Dutch physicist Hendrik Lorentz, the mathematical form of the kinematical laws of special relativity. Maxwell's field equation in the theory of electromagnetism, Dirac's equation in the theory of the electron, are each invariant under the Lorentz transformations. Therefore, the Lorentz group is said to express the fundamental symmetry of many of the known fundamental laws of nature. The restricted Lorentz group is generated by ordinary spatial rotations in Lorentz boosts, which can be thought of as the hyperbolic rotations in a plane that includes the time-like direction. So these are the notes here. It says fast rocket rotations plus neutrinos, speed, power, hyperbolic. That's the key word with the happy face. And it's quotes from Wiki. Lorentz group, a boost in some direction or a rotation about some axis, each generate a one-parameter subgroup. An arbitrary rotation is specified by three real parameters, as in an arbitrary boost. Since every proper orthogonal Lorentz transformation can be written as a product of a rotation and a boost, it takes six real parameters to specify an arbitrary proper orthogonal Lorentz transformation. Sorry if I'm not saying the words right. This is one way to understand why the restricted Lorentz group is six-dimensional. We'll study this in more detail in a later section on the Lie algebra of the Lorentz group. You'll have to go to Wikipedia to do that. To specify an arbitrary Lorentz transformation requires a further 2 bits of information, which pick out one of the 4 connected components. This pattern is typical of finite dimensional Lie groups. So quote from Wiki Lorentz group. Connected components. Because it is a Lie group, the Lorentz group 0, 1, 3 is both a group and a smooth manifold. As a manifold, it has 4 connected components. Intuitively, this means that it consists of 4 topologically separated pieces. To see why, notice that a Lorentz transformation may or may not reverse the direction of time, or more precisely, transform a future pointing time-like vector into a past pointing one. No idea what that means. Reverse the orientation of a Vervian tetrad, whatever that is, and Lorentz transformations which preserve the direction of time are called orthochronos. I'll never remember that word. Those which preserve orientation are called proper. And as linear transformations, they have determinant +1. The improper Lorentz transformations have determinant -1. The subgroup of proper Lorentz transformation is denoted SO1, 1 and 3. The subgroup of orthochronous transformation is often denoted 0 plus yada yada. Okay? The identity component of the Lorentz group is the set of all Lorentz transformations, preserving both orientation and the direction of time. It is called the proper orthochronous Lorentz group or restricted Lorentz group, and it is denoted by the SO plus 1, 3. It is a normal subgroup of the Lorentz group, which is also 6-dimensional. And we have some pretty words here in pink. Neutrinos, hyperbolic rotations. I guess these are the key words here. Isotropy. Isotropy is uniformly in all orientations. It is derived from the Greek equal in tropos direction. Precise definitions depend on the subject area. Exceptions or inequalities are frequently indicated by the prefix and hence anisotropy. And anisotropy is also used to describe situations where properties vary systematically. Depending on direction, isotropic radiation has the same intensity regardless of the direction of measurement, and an isotropic field exerts the same action regardless of how the test particles is oriented. that's the end of that video. Okay, I have to recharge my camera. So I'll be uploading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos this week, and then I'm going to take some time off and start working on another project again. I'll get back to this in about a week or 2. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and if you can comment and help with this, try to explain some of these words I don't understand. If you hear me say I don't understand it, if you can put it in plain English, I would really love it if you could do that. Thank you very much.